My name is James Paul. I'm a Paralympic athlete on the Great Britain cycling team. Recently came back from Paris with the gold medal in the Paralympic Games. We've won 15 championship medals now at the World Championships and 4 medals at the Commonwealth Games, including 1 gold medal. So I race in the visually impaired class, and I ride on the back of the tandem as a stoker, and then Steff's my pilot on the front. He's in control of the bike, and we both ride a fixed gear on the tandem, and basically he's my eyes on the bike really.
Ar ôl gweld sut mor galed oedd James yn paratoi am y gemau, oedd e'n ysbrydoli fi. Ni yn tîm ar y tandem, so mae rhaid y ddwy person rhoi 100% mewn ac i dod yn ffwrdd gyda'r medlair oedd yn special iawn. Bod yn tîm oedd yn special gael rhywun arall gyda chi a chi'n gallu siario'r moment a dathlu gyda gilydd. O'n i'n hapus iawn i wneud gyda James.
I've always been sporty during school and stuff. I've always wanted to do that as a profession, and yeah, just to now be at the top of my classification really is this actual absolute dream come true, and I cannot wait to train hard now to defend it in Los Angeles. It's such a privilege to be nominated for this award, and very, very honoured.